Welcome to the second community update for the Crozet Elementary School Addition and Renovation Project. My name is Kristen Hill, and I'm a Community Engagement Specialist with BMDO Architects. If you haven't had a chance to watch our first community update, I encourage you to go back and watch that video first, as it describes more on the background of the project. Today we are going to talk about what we've been hearing from the community about the vision for the future of Crozet area schools, talk through some site analysis or what qualities make this site unique, and more ways that you can stay involved in the process this week from home. We've loved reading all your survey responses and getting to know families and teachers through interviews. Here's some of the things that we've learned so far. Crozet Elementary School in its current form and the old Crozet School across the street have been an integral part of the Crozet community for generations. The playground and central library were most commonly identified as places that feel welcoming on campus. Academic success and positive attitudes and moods in students were the top priorities to frame this project. Many people described a desire to prioritize community building spaces and age-appropriate learning community sizes for all Crozet area schools. As schools get bigger, prioritizing learning communities and maintaining the small town feel within schools that's so important to Crozet is a design challenge we're excited to take on. Connection to place through outdoor learning and ambitious sustainability goals also came up multiple times. We're going to further explore opportunities of this special and unique site this week. Crozet Elementary School, like all schools, has unique site conditions that affect opportunities for expansion. If we consider where the sun rises and sets, the direction of prevailing winds, the site topography, views, and surrounding property uses, we can best locate and orient building additions to preserve and enhance the whole school and site. This is the site as it is today with the existing school building. The intimate scale reflects the nature of the small-town Crozet community and is designed so that each child will feel known and supported. The unique round loop of classrooms fosters community. The school has a very formal organization, with much of the public programs stacked in the front along the north-south axis and the front door and central library along the east-west axis. Everything radiates out from the central round library. The school is situated with picturesque mountain views to the west and pastoral views to the east. There's a fair amount of topography on the site, and the existing school steps down to a level below the front door, making use of a retaining wall pictured here in red. In 1995, BMDO designed a classroom addition off the south, which preserves the views from the existing classrooms. We have another round of surveys that focus on more site considerations and amenities. Do you have a specific question or idea? Sign up for an interview. Have you been out to the site? Try our scavenger hunt for a fun family field trip. And check out the website for more ways to get involved. If you and your family complete all the activities, you'll be entered to win a family pizza dinner from Crozet Pizza. Thank you. We'll be back with another update in 2 weeks.